Just sit at the bar for a little bit, get a lemon drop.
Oh yeah, holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't blame me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you haven't done it already, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below. Happy Valentine's Day. As you guys can see, I am getting ready. No, I don't have a Valentine's, I have Galentine'S. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quickly. If you haven't seen my makeup video, I'll insert it here. I'm doing a little bit of a different technique because I got this like NARS concealer. So I wanted to try this, and then I also changed my foundation for like, not my everyday foundation or whatever, but I got the Lancome foundation, and I don't know, I'm about to try it out, but I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, and then I'll get dressed, and then we going out.
Look, once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me. I said my face bomb, ass tight, rack stuck up shack height, jury on me, flashlight. I've been listening last night, hit him with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy, I know that's right. Big bag pussy, not the Bentley band. Take a member, let's see, I can party back and all these bitches fuck. It's big bags, pussy, not the Bentley band. Take a man, working back, party back and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party hot, I can make your body rock. Bitches say they fucking with me, chances are they probably not. If I had a dick, you probably lick it like a lollipop. Hoes speaking Japanese, hit them with karate chops. I'm forever popping shit, pulling up and dropping shit. Gotta argue with them, cause a nigga love a toxic bitch. Niggas out here playing, gotta make them understand. Ain't no ring on my finger, you ain't going on my gram. I said my face bomb, ass tight, back stack of shack height, jury on me, flashlight. I've been listening last night, hit them with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy, I know that's right. Big bad pussy, not the Bentley band. Take a member, let's see, I can party back and all these bitches fuck. It's big bag pussy, not the Bentley band. Take a man, working back, party back and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up.
Is that a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Give me a twirl. Let me get your outfit. Ooh, that man's spiffy.
Yeah, I'm on the track. Riding around in my whip, listening to my shit. She wanna hit track 6, she told me that's her. Every girl said got the title, got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson, Jordan. Better than me, they both shit. If I let my bed on curve, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than 2. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Poppin' your gum on the way, am I in the way? No more pressure, you know. I want your best in the day. Oh, by the way, open the door, by the way. Told you that I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I know connection is big, pick up the phone for me, babe. If you have my love and I can't would you come for me? Would you come? I'm done with these bitches. I don't love these bitches. I dust off these bitches. I do it for fun. Don't take it personal.
So good, babe. For a little bit, just sit at the bar for a little bit. Get a lemon drop, get a lemon drop.
Don't take it personal. Love all my ladies. Love to my ladies. Just feel on your babe, her nigga you feel like a leg. I wanna swim with my face. I'm like, okay, I'll let her get what she want. I'll buy her East Laurent, ain't in the whip. When I go past his horse, I got the trunk in the front.
You guys, when I tell you this is probably the best food that I have had in a very long time. Hold on, y'all. Lala, what you rate the food? Shell, what you rate the food?
So good, babe.
Juanito bonito? Oh, okay. Exquisite. Thank you, Juan!
What's the I win?
Oh my God, thank you, Juan! Bye, y'all. Bye! Oh my God! Let me see your flowers.